Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to input a user input. So first of all, we have to put hash include an IO stream, and then using namespace std, and after that we have to put a semicolon, and then integer options main, and then we have to put a bracket and then start it. Now we are going to input a number for in our program. So we have to get a user input like this. First, if you want to display something, please input a number. Or please input something. Then you have to put CO. Please enter a number. So then you have to put semicolon. Then after that, you have to assign a value like here x or x, then semicolon. CL. Then we have to assign this x value for the input. Then we have to put C in. The C out arrow is like this, and the C in arrow is like this. Don't be confused. After that, we have to assign this x here and semicolon. After that, return 0. Then we have to close the bracket, and we have to choose the language C. C++. Okay. We'll put a name for this video as a user input. User. Select the file name. Press CMD. G++. Then enter the name that you have entered for the file. User input. .cpp. -4 extension. If you call that name, specific name, then you will get the user input CMD file. Then I'm going to enter the 2.exe. Then I have to press GO. Please enter a number in here. Here we have to enter number 10. This is how it works. Thank you.